Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group named Samsung Tech will present about our product. It is called Autonomous Lawnmower. For our team, our CEO is Muhammad Danish bin Rahmat. Our project manager is Syed Muhammad Nabil bin Syed Noh. Our production designer is Muhammad Amirul Ashraf bin Shahruddin. R&D executive is Muhammad Arif Shah bin Ismail. Me, financial executive Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Saifulizan, and our marketing manager Muhammad Amir Hakim bin Azani. So for our company background, first our company profile. Samsung Tech Team is a Malaysian tech-based company that explores the world of automation and robotics to meet the global growing of demand and supply. We are specialized in designing, manufacturing, marketing, and consistently improving lawnmower and for various kind of industrial and commercial use. We also inspire us to be leading company in the globe in the field of designing and manufacturing of lawnmower. So our company location is in Savannah Lifestyle Retail, BG 28, Jalan BBLS 2, Bandar Baru Lembah Selatan, in Dengkir, Selangor. So for our nature of business, Samsung Technology is formed to produce a product with an addition of innovation to the product. Next is to produce a product with a high quality and improvement to the current existing product in the market. Third, we will produce a very high technology product line with the current market status, which is the Industry 4.0. Then lastly, we will continue to produce product with improvement that are user friendly and can help to ease our daily life. So why we need innovation? First is to catching with advance in technology. First, the connectivity and integration of data that more revenue stream are getting created. Second, establish firm that leverage existing asset in exciting and profitable ways. Third, established firms that leverage existing assets and exciting and profitable ways. Why we need innovation also is to maximize the globalization of connectivity, to adopt free market economic system, then hugely increasing their own productive potentials and creating fresh opportunities for international trade. Third is to reduce the barrier to global trade and bringing new global agreement for promoting trade in goods, service and investment. Lastly is to completely outperform its competitors and venture new market by enhancing customer experiences. I will pass to Syed Muhammad Nabil.
Hello, my name is Nabil. So I will be explaining about the background of the existing product when we took the initiative to make some innovations regarding the product. So the existing lawnmower that we always use has a lot of disadvantage, but we have in this explanation I will divide this into two things, which is why the product need to be innovated, and second is the problems that we are facing with this product. So as a conventional lawnmower, it is used by the public to cut grass. The blades of the lawnmower are generally powered by pushing the mower forward. So this is very basics. So the problem with this lawnmower that we are using nowadays, the conventional ones, is it is because it is using gas as its power source. And with gas powered lawnmowers comes pollution. So our product would reduce in pollution. And also conventional lawnmowers also cost a lot for people to buy these days. So the things that we innovate in our product, the difference between our product and the conventional lawnmower is that our product uses solar powered batteries, which is very eco-friendly. Secondly, the amount of money that is used by the user can dramatically reduce due to not having to buy petrol for a conventional lawnmower. That's it for me. Now Arif will continue the slide.
Nabil. Now I will continue with the innovation of the product. Okay, the types of innovation that we will choose is there will be two types, radical and also architectural. Can we go to the next slide, please? Thank you. Okay, now I will continue with the radical type of innovation. Connecting a controller to the internet. The action of the autonomous lawnmower can be coordinated and automated to greater extent than ever before. Continuing on, can complete tasks intelligently with minimal human input. Next, have a means to perceive the lawnmower's surrounding to determine precise localization, accurately detect and fix moving objects, and measure distance to those objects. Next, we'll employ a combination of sensing and perception system, including radar and LiDAR sensor. LiDAR is a critical sensing technology for AVs, that is automated vehicles, due to its ability to produce very high resolution mapping of objects in relation to the lawnmower, useful in detecting boulders and line marking. And LiDAR sensor also transmit a laser pulse, detect the back scattered or reflected light energy, and calculate the distance to the object based on elapsed time. Aku ke?
Thank you, Arif, for
Okay.
the second type of innovation for the architecture, the thin solar panel design. Harvesting solar energy does not have to mean using a huge solar panel anymore. Thanks to innovation in solar film technology, this solar film can be produced in roll, which greatly reduce both in cost and the installation. This product is equipped with a thin solar panel. This technology is truly renewable energy source. The user did not have to buy petroleum and other fossil fuel. It can be harnessed in all area of the world and is available every day. For the thin solar panel system, the advantage is mass production is simpler and cheaper to manufacture that crystalline based solar cell. The solar panel appearance look more appealing, and high temperature and shading have less impact on this solar panel. Yes, for the product categories, we consider our product is a breakthrough product. So based on our research, the product has a lot of advantage compared to existing lawnmower. This product is categorized as an improvement product. The implement of autonomous system changed the work process. The user did not need to manual control the lawnmower. Unlike humans, robots do not get tired. Autonomous lawnmower can work constantly around the clock to meet the targeted task. This is very beneficial as user would not have to worry about the time consuming for the learning process. Furthermore, autonomous lawnmower is more accurate than human as it is assists with precise algorithm. Moreover, the autonomous have been improved by using sensing and perception system. The application of solar energy as a renewable energy for the replacement of existing non-renewable energy technology for the lawnmower gives benefit to the environment. The solar cell generate energy that produce no greenhouse gas emission for fossil fuel and reduce some types of air pollution. Hence, it reduce global warming. For the next slide, I will pass to Amirul. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Amir Ashraf. So I will present about autonomous lawnmower model. So this is our model, and this is the dimension of this model. This is our model. So as you can see, so bill of material, the chassis, first is chassis, price RM200 for wheel, RM100, cutting blade RM80, free wheel RM50, solar panel RM450, LiDAR sensor RM500, ultrasonic sensor RM50, and DC motor RM250. So for the total is RM1,680. So for this autonomous lawnmower, the first is usability. The main purpose of the product is user are never required to take control to safely operate the lawnmower, known as autonomous or driverless. They combine sensors and software to control, navigate, and drive the vehicle. Originality, LiDAR sensing technology, a combination of sensing and perception system. Thin solar panel, design truly renewable energy source, and functionality, used as a part of regular lawn, save time and effort by loaning yard. Just one click from a smartphone can activate the autonomous robot to lawn the yard effectively. did not need a charge because it using solar cell because it's a free energy source. Technology IR 4.0 connecting a controller to the internet. The action of the autonomous lawnmower can be coordinated and automated, and also can complete tasks intelligently with minimal human input.
My name is Muhammad Amir. I'll be focusing on target market. So target market is refer to a group of potential customer to whom a company want to sell its product and services. So our target market is a male gender aged between 35 to 55 years old, live in a large city, and have a house with garden area between 1,000 to 2,150 square feet of grass, with a household of 4 to 5 people and average income between 40,000 to 50,000 per year. So the benefit and the value of the product. Cleaner for the environment. The product use solar power battery that will last longer and will not give that much of impact to the environment. LiDAR sensing technology is able to produce very high resolution mapping of objects, useful in detecting boulder and line marking, as well as in tracking objects or pets. This product also more faster compared to other method of cutting the grass, and is less expensive. The amount of money that is used by the user can dramatically reduce due to not having to buy a petrol for the lawn mower unit. It also autonomous. It use a sensor system, multiple programming option, and onboard computer to cut your lawn with very little input on your end. As a conclusion, after getting started is the hardest part as there are many ways to approach innovation. Small improvement eventually lead to bigger and better ideas that may one day become revolutionary. After getting started is the hardest part. There are many ways to approach innovation. We are some Tech team. Impossible is nothing. Thank you.